Years ago, the Port of LA started looking at lighting and lighting as an opportunity, and they looked at energy efficiency as a huge opportunity for an investment. They actually wanted us to help them rethink lighting in those applications, and working closely with the Port of LA, we developed our HMAO LED, or high mast LED light. One of the big challenges at the port was the concept of maintenance. Because the lamp life of a high pressure sodium is only 24,000 hours, you really have to think about how often those lamps go out. They're not very easy to replace because you actually have to bring all the lights on a pole, and there's 12 luminaires on every single pole, and the whole entire set of 12 actually has to come down. And so when you're doing that, you have considerable downtime at the port, or at least in that part of the port.
Maintenance-wise, you don't need to go out like they do now every 3 or 4 years and change a light bulb, nor do you have to go out there and worry about changing a ballast. We're talking about an LED source that's got 10 plus years.
Using LEDs, we're actually able to install those products, and it will be years and years before they actually ever have to touch them again.
Obviously, for a port facility, being that they are on a saltwater environment, it can be an extremely corrosive type environment, and it's important that the processes for any of the materials that are out there, that they're designed for extra long life because of what environment they are in. It's extremely important that the correct alloy metals that are used in the luminaire are done to make sure that there's rust resistance. And use prismatic glass. Glass is a source that does not haze, craze, fade. So all those things have to then be designed into a complete luminaire package such that the package is sealed up to the environment.
From the Port of LA standpoint, one of the other side benefits really has to do with visual acuity. So when you think about lighting, one of the benefits of LED is that sort of full spectrum. And so what that means is people who are working in the port can actually see things better at the same light level, because we're not talking about pure orange light. They're actually able to see better in that application. So when you've got those large pieces of equipment, they have forklifts that lift entire containers at a time. And so it's a real safety issue. And using LEDs, they can see people better, they can see the containers better, they're able to actually move around the port more efficiently because of the white LED light that's provided now. Really, color is a big deal. We sometimes take it for granted, but color is a part of visibility. When you're in the port and you see these large containers that are coming off the ships and being prepared to be put on trucks, right? Those containers are all identified based on markings, ownership, numbers, serial numbers, and all that is painted in colors. Under high pressure sodium, it's actually hard. If you're looking for a blue container, it would be hard to tell. Using the LED lighting, all the colors actually pop. The visibility, how crystal clear everything appears, is substantially different at the Port of LA today because of the LED lighting we've installed compared to the traditional high pressure sodium. In addition, the significant energy savings, nearly 50% of the power was reduced on a pole-by-pole basis.
You're seeing tremendous savings from an ROI perspective, where they can actually feel the money and the dollars, and they also get some of the benefits of the actual lighting being better. The environmental concerns of actually moving to this is also a better source than what we had previously.